In this video, I will show you how to create viral aesthetic reels like these in DaVinci Resolve. Make a new project in DaVinci Resolve. And structure it properly with separate folders or bins for your footage and other assets. Create a new timeline and select vertical resolution. And make sure the frame rate is 60 FPS for smooth animations. Then bring out your talking head footage in the timeline and adjust the position and zoom of the clip according to your likings. Now before anything, start the chopping and cleaning of your clip to make it flow smooth. This is one of the MVP steps of creating viral reels. Before you start creating motion graphics and text animations for your reel, make sure to find a good music track for your video that matches with the vibe. This is also a MVP step, so don't take it lightly. And one of the best things of Instagram is that you don't have to worry about copyright strikes. So you can add your favorite music. What's your favorite track from Kanye's latest album, by the way? Now comes the exciting part, text animations. No script for this part, let's create something from scratch. Once the clip is sorted, we can start our edit. So the X factor of these reels are basically the text animations. And for that, we will bring out a text plus node and put it right here. And then I'm going to change the title. And then we will open this clip in the Fusion page by clicking this button. Now first I'm going to change the font to Helvetica New because that is really popular on Instagram. Then I will change the style to medium. Then we can animate it. Go to frame 35, then go to shadings and add a keyframe on the opacity. Then go to layout and add a keyframe on the center X and Y. Then go back to frame 0 and turn the Y a little bit down. Not too much, a little bit is fine. Then go to shadings and turn the opacity all the way down. Then go to shadings and add motion blur. Open the spline tab and select everything. Press this button, Ctrl A, right click, ease and out cubic. After the animation we can add drop shadow as well. So shift space and then we can search for drop shadow. And then we can increase the strength, decrease the distance, and decrease the blur as well. And that gives it a great look. And now I will open the spline tab again, and one thing I forgot is that by pulling this, we can make the animation even smoother. Not too much, just like that. Now get back to the edit page, and that is our text. And the best part about this is that once we have created the first one, we can just duplicate it for the other ones with minor customizations. And one more thing is that make sure you do not change the size and the position of this text from this title tab, like going to the layout and changing the X, because that will mess up our animation. To avoid that, just switch to the settings tab and change the size and the position from there. So that is what I'm going to do. I will bring it down here and a little bit on the left side, make it a bit smaller, and then I will duplicate it for the second one. We'll shrink this to get a better view, and now I will change the title for the next one and also change the style to bold. Then I will bring it on the right side. And now I will add another one. And this time I will change the font to Great Vibes. That blends really well with Helvetica New. Change the title to Is. Then go to settings and turn it down. Also increase the size. And put it right here. Then I will duplicate it once again for the last time. Give it a custom title. Then I will take it to the right side. And that looks great. And one more thing we can do is we can change the composite mode to difference to get this special effect on our text.
Progress in any direction, in any way whatsoever towards a financial.
And this is our text animation. And you can literally blow up your page with these and the right music. That is it. But of course, to enhance it, we can add different motion graphics and animations. Like we can add an adjustment clip at the start of our reel and then open it in the Fusion page, and then we can maybe add a zoom out or a zoom in animation to this for the opening of the reel. That will make it more engaging. And that is all there is, to be honest. You don't have to overcomplicate it. And if you want to learn how to create motion graphics and stuff, you can watch a lot of my videos and maybe add a bit more spice in your reels. Have a good night.